Or last month, my wife and I were out for her birthday at a architectural salvage place, and we found this glass globe that my wife wanted to create a new light fixture out of. While we were there, we also found this brass piece too. They weren't designed to work together, but they should fit. This is kind of an unusual diameter. So I took this piece, I drilled 3 holes in it here, and I tapped it to receive number 10, 24 brass screws so we can attach it. And then this is a piece of fabric wrapped cord that came from Anthropology with another light fixture we recently purchased. They gave a generous amount of cord, so I want to reuse this in this project. And then I also bought some components from the Colored Cord Company, and I like their site. They've got a lot of cool stuff on there. They were not real helpful. I chatted with somebody, and I think I spooked them when I told them that I was retrofitting a light into something old like this. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. I also bought a cord stripper. This was $10. I figured I've done enough of these already that I will probably want that, because it makes it a lot easier, and you really have to be careful when you strip those cords. That way you don't mess them up. And then this is the brass canopy we bought that we're going to use for the mounting on the ceiling. Yeah, this is the problem with not knowing exactly what the heck you're doing, but most things we're gonna make the best of it. Okay, so as you can see,